All right, speaking about the process, right? Most people have this misconception about this, like the transition is so quick. How long did the transition take from a vegetarian diet to the vegan diet?
Well, it went from the vegetarian. Immediately, I did it from, you know, the SAD diet, the standard American diet. I did that from that Friday, that Saturday. Then, when I tried to go vegan, that was a problem because I love the cheese and I love that egg. I
Yeah,
loved it. I loved it. I thought I was doing something. I was like, man, I ain't eating no meat, but I'm eating cheese and eggs.
yeah.
So I actually, that was probably about a 10 year, at least I think it was about 10 years. And then I tried it, but I fell back. I went backwards because I ate it. I mean, I cut it out, the eggs and the cheese and the dairy, and then like that was probably like the next week I was back on it harder. And then I was like, my mind wasn't right for that right now. Let me wait. Let me eat some more. And so in probably like a 3-month period, then I decided, okay, let me try it again. And then I eventually cut it out.
Yeah.
So it's a process, man. Like, it's not gonna happen overnight. And I don't recommend nobody to do it overnight. I recommend them to do it, take steps. Take steps with that.
All right.
But always try to continuously grow with it. Don't stay stuck on the veggie burgers and the French fries, man, because that's no good.
How long did it take you to transition to raw foods?
Oh, true. That was later on. That was probably 14 years in my journey. Yeah, like 14 years. Cause at first I was saying like, how I'm gonna live on just fruits and nuts, berries, vegetables, nuts and seeds. I'm like, I don't know. But then I started researching, and the more I researched, the more it started making sense. And then I started playing with it, and then I just dived in. So it was probably like 14 years within my journey. Then I jumped on it.
All right. So
yeah.
All right. On a typical day now, please let the people know what you eat.
Well, I fast. I stop eating at around 8, 9 o'clock. That's it. I shut it down, and then I move into, I drink the coconut waters, and I go from the young jelly, and then all through the night, I rest, and then I won't eat again until 12. Until 12, then I'll break the fast, and I'll break it on like maybe an orange or a papaya or a mango, some mangoes, some fruits. And then throughout the day, I'll get into the salads because I eat real light nowadays. Like, I just eat salads and fruits. That's it. Salads, fruits, juices, and water. Coconut water. That's it.
What has been your experience physically, spiritually, mentally since you have transitioned to raw foods?
A lot of clarity. My weight has always been down. I'm not obese. I can still run with the guys my age, younger than me, like teenagers, the 20-year-olds. I can still run with them, hoop, because I like to hoop. So I can hoop with the young ones. I can still run. Physically, I think I'm in the best shape of my life. Spiritually, a lot of growth. Because like they say, you are what you absorb. So you pretty much are gonna evolve spiritually, mentally, physically, emotionally when you change your diet, because that's it's a direct correlation between, like we was talking earlier, between mental illness and food, because your food attracts your mood. And whatever it is that you're consuming, if you're consuming Snicker bars, you're consuming the fake and bacon and the mock meats and the French fries and things of that nature, it's gonna affect your mood. When you eat the live foods, those foods are charged by the sun. And I don't really know no one that's a raw foodist, or a strict nutritarian, like I like to say, that's unhappy.
Thank you so much for watching I Never Knew TV.
Please subscribe, comment, like, share.